Halo Musik Lover, apa kabar? Ketemu lagi sama gue Glenn dari Sinfonia Musik. Kali ini gue bersama dengan Mr. Jaeret. Dia adalah seorang senior sales manager Sennheiser untuk Southeast Asia. Gue akan nanya-nanya tentang meet hari ini, acara hari ini, kira-kira kayak gimana. Dan gue juga pengen tahu sedikit pandangan dia tentang produk yang launching, yaitu 660 S2. Ya, kita akan ngobrol sama Mr. Jaeret. Jaeret, how are you for today? Okay, I'm just ask you straight to my question. What do you think about the community in Bandung, especially for this like gathering and this launching product? How you feel about it?
Okay, this is my first time to Bandung city, and I'm very impressed with the turnout and also the engagement of the Bandung community event. Okay, so I think it is very engaging, and the responses and also the audience are very professional. Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Most welcome. Yeah.
But you have you ever been in Indonesia before?
Yes, in Indonesia I've been to Jakarta.
Oh, to Jakarta.
Yes, but Bandung is my first. Yeah, correct.
How you feel about the atmosphere in our city, and especially atmosphere of the audio lovers in here?
Okay, for Bandung, I feel the vibe is a bit different. Of course, the people are friendly. The city is beautiful.
Thank you very much.
And of course, if you talk about the people, especially the audiophile community, as well as the music lovers here, are very committed. They are engaging. So a lot of responses, a lot of feedbacks and comments has been given. It is a delight. It is a delight to us to host this event in Bandung.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Today we are launching Sennheiser 660 S2. What is the difference for the older product 660?
Okay, the current upgrade for the 660 Mark II version, we actually did a lot of improvement. The first is of course the impedance. From 150 ohm we changed it to 300 ohms. That is for technical. Yes, that is for technical ability that it can actually perform better. Secondly is of course the tuning. We did the engineers did a lot of tuning to ensure that the high, mid and low, especially the extended bass, are being covered, which the previous generation might not be able to cover that well. So if you make a comparison, you will feel that the new HD 660S Mark II has actually a wider hearing capability, and it is much more responsive to most of the music genre.
What is the difference from 600 series and 800 series?
Okay, for our 800 series is our flagship model. Yes, so currently actually if you break up into the lower series, which is the 600 series, where we primarily have three models, which is the HD 600, HD 650, as well as the new model HD 660S Mark II. So they actually focuses on different sound characteristics. For the HD 600, it is our everlasting model, which has launched for more than 25 years old. So it is really much of a reference sound. So it's very lenient. Okay, so it is uncolored. So it is really good for people who do studio recording or who wanted to have a much more neutral sound. For the HD 650, it's an upgrade of the 600 where they give you more emotion. Okay, so that is the main difference. So when people listen to certain genre of music, they find it more engaging and more emotion. Then of course we have the new HD 660 S2, which is actually an upgrade of all the three models. So it actually brings out all the emphasizes on the high, mid as well as low to give you a full coverage, so that when listeners listen to their favorite tracks, they will feel that it is more engaging, more emotional, and of course this is where what Sennheiser will want to bring to you, that you will feel much more fuller and you get the realistic of the sound that you are looking for.
So the 660 is more dynamic than 600 and 650.
Yes, you're right. So because of different people have the different characteristic of sound they will prefer, so that's why Sennheiser decided to launch out all the three models to cater for your different needs of songs and listening criteria.
and this is, I don't know if you can answer this, but why Sennheiser not very often to launch new product? Like for example, 600 to 660, it's very long time, and 650 to 660, it's very long time.
Okay, I don't have the official answer, but as a personal point of view, I would believe that when we launch a product, especially Sennheiser as a professional audio company, we will make sure that the product at that point of time of launching is almost made to perfect. So of course, when during the era of 25 years ago, a lot of medias, a lot of recording are different. So at that point of time, 600 will be a very good recording transmission medium for that recording. Yes, at that point in time. So things upgraded. So that's why there's a HD 650. So and now we are actually go into the high-res audio. That is where the HD 660S2 came along.
So you have more time to figure out the best sound that you can produce
at that point of time with the ability of the medium, because now we have high-res recording, which is like more than 24 kilohertz, you know, that kind of resolution. That's why we need a much more capable headphone drivers to produce the frequency that we needed.
Last question for you. How you feel about the Sennheiser community in Indonesia? Because I think IoT have their own like Facebook community, and it's quite good. How you feel about it, especially in Indonesia?
Okay, I feel personally, Indonesia audiophile community or audio community is very engaging, is also very active. As you know that we have the Sennheiser community Facebook event. So almost every month, the company IoT will work with the Sennheiser community to host the event on a regular basis. It could be in Jakarta, it could be in Bandung, it could be in other city. So that we will want to bring the products to let all the city to try it out. And because almost all the response are very positive and the turnout are active. So I think that the responses, the commitment, engagement and commitment are high. Even across all the other neighbor countries, Indonesia is one of the highest.
Wow, thank you very much. It's very honor for us. Okay, Jaeret, thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoy your time in Bandung, especially in Bandung. And do you have any closing statement for maybe our audience, Sennheiser lovers maybe in Indonesia?
Yes, please come and try our new products, especially the HD 660S2. I do think that you will love the sound. Yeah, thank you for having me.
Thank you, Jaeret. Oke, musik lover, kayaknya itu aja dari gue hari ini. Gue beruntung banget bisa ketemu sama salah satu perwakilan dari Southeast Asia Sennheiser dan bisa ngobrol banyak dengan beliau. Oke, sampai ketemu lagi. Kalau suka dengan channel ini, like, comment, share, subscribe, dan ingat juga untuk nyalakan loncengnya. Oke, sampai ketemu lagi. Dadah!